Now, India's Supreme Court continued its hearings on a bunch of different petitions against the very contentious and controversial amendments that have been brought into the Waqf Act for the second straight day. Remember, the Parliament had passed these controversial amendments to the Act earlier in the month. Now, hearing a bunch of petitions challenging the Waqf Act, the top court directed the central government to file its response on the amendments to the Act in 7 days. It also directed that no Waqf property registered under the 1995 Waqf Act will be denotified till its next hearing. And also, no new appointments will be made to the Council or the Board of Waqf till the next hearing. The hearing saw some sharp exchanges between the bench and the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta when the judges questioned the logic behind permitting non-Muslims to be a part of the Waqf governance, while a similar reciprocity does not apply to Hindu religious endowments. Now, this is what the bench asked Tushar Mehta, and I quote the justices here, where they said, "Are you suggesting that Muslims can now be part of Hindu endowment boards as well? Please state it openly," unquote. Now, representing the central government, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that the government will not denotify the Waqf by deed and Waqf by user properties till the next hearing. The petitioners can in fact file their response to the centre's reply in just 5 days. The Supreme Court bench had earlier noted that there were some positive aspects in the amended law and that a complete stay on the legislation is not warranted. Now, the government notified the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 that received the assent of President on the 5th of April. The Parliament passed the bill earlier in the month after the marathon debates in both houses. But thereafter, a series of petitions were filed in the Supreme Court with the opposition and also a section of the Muslim community opposing some of the provisions of this contentious law that critics say clearly go against minority rights and interests. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.